silhouette challenge has gone from empowering to controversial, people have started making their own TED Talks, and YouTube is testing a new feature called Clips. Hear the details on all that and more in this week's Creator Weekly. Hey everyone, it's Grace from Kapwing, and welcome to this week's episode of Creator Weekly, where in under 5 minutes we tell you all the trends, app updates, and stories that you need to know as a creator from this week. And the first story we are starting with is TikTok's latest breakout trend, the silhouette challenge. This empowering trend quickly became popular over the weekend and involves people creating red silhouette videos of themselves and adding the Put Your Head on My Shoulder Doja Cat remix on top. While this trend started off as an empowering challenge that involved a cool editing technique, as more people have flocked to it, some are looking to use the videos in nefarious ways by removing the red filter to reveal the creators' bodies. So word of warning, if you're going to make a video as part of the silhouette challenge, keep your clothes on. People are attempting to revert the videos back to their normal coloring, and that can reveal things that viewers aren't supposed to see. Check out the tutorial we made on how to participate and make your own video for the silhouette challenge, which is linked above. Now, a different hilarious trend that emerged in the past few days is the TED Talk filter, which people are using to make their own TED Talks and spread PSAs to the world. These speeches are usually rhyming pieces of advice like this.
If it says do tomorrow, it's do tomorrow. Oh my fellow.
And while the filter is found on Instagram, most creators are posting their videos to TikTok. We made a tutorial on how to find the filter and how to use it, so check it out above to make your own. In other news, YouTube is taking after popular streaming platform Twitch with a new feature called Clips. Clips, which is currently being tested by a small portion of users, will allow viewers to create 5 to 60 second looping portions of existing YouTube videos which they can share with others. To make a clip on videos that have access to the feature already, you can use the scissors icon next to the bar showing likes and dislikes, and there will be a clips tab on the left side of your YouTube homepage which will show all the clips you've made. This development is clearly one of the ways in which YouTube is aiming to compete with Twitch and improve the viewing experience on live streams for viewers and creators. The feature will be rolling out over the next few months and will first appear on desktop and Android, then will reach iOS users. You can test it out for yourself right now though on the video linked above that is from YouTube's Creator Academy. One of the clips we made will also be linked in the description below if you want to see what it's like to watch one of these clips. Also, does anyone know what BHM means? I saw it on YouTube, and YouTube BHM is trending on Google. Well, that's because it's Black History Month. And in honor of the occasion, YouTube will be displaying a new BHM logo made by a different Black artist each Monday in February. This past Monday's logo was designed by Brazil-based artist Leandro Assis. YouTube is also highlighting Black creators this month through the Celebrate Black History card that shows up on YouTube's homepage, which directs viewers to a Voices of Black Creativity playlist. Check into YouTube this coming Monday to see the next artist and logo that is highlighted. And on Twitter, you'll soon be able to apply for a coveted blue checkmark, as they've announced that applications to become verified are reopening in the next few months. Twitter had put the process of becoming verified on hold for a while so they could create a new policy for who gets a blue checkmark and who doesn't. Their new policy has been released and details a few changes made to their definition of notability, the titles of categories that people can be notable in, and minimum follower count requirements. Twitter has also started removing the verified badge from inactive and incomplete accounts according to criteria also laid out in their policy. And lastly, Instagram is testing a new Collab sticker for stories that will enable users to create events and add up to 20 collaborators. Viewers will be able to click follow on the sticker, potentially making it a good way for creators to promote events happening with others on or off the app. Instagram started working on this feature towards the end of last year and has continued to add to it, with visible changes happening this past week and more to come in the next following weeks. And now you're all caught up on the news from this week. If you want to learn more about anything I mentioned in the video, check out the description below where we have sources linked. If you have a story or a topic that you want us to cover in the next video, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with everything you need to know as a creator, and we'll see you in the next Creator Weekly.